Have you ever dreamed of living in a place where people truly feel happy? A place where life is calm, peaceful, and safe? Today, we're taking a journey to discover why Finland is the happiest country in the world. Imagine waking up to soft, natural light in a cozy home during a winter morning. Meet Anna, a 32-year-old teacher living in Helsinki, Finland's charming capital. Anna's life may seem simple. No grand mansion or fancy car, but every day she wears a smile filled with genuine contentment. It's 7 a.m. Outside, snow gently falls, but inside her home, warmth surrounds her. She starts her day with a modest breakfast of rye bread, cheese, and hot coffee. After breakfast, Anna hops on her bike and rides through tranquil, quiet streets. Even in the chill of winter, the air feels fresh and inviting. As Anna arrives at school, she is welcomed by eager and curious students. Her classroom is a place of laughter and learning, where each smile and every question adds a spark of happiness to the day. After her teaching day ends, Anna meets with friends at the local sauna, a beloved Finnish tradition where warmth and relaxation create moments of true connection. In the evening, Anna returns home, curling up with a favorite book. As she unwinds, there is a serene sense of peace, a reminder that life isn't about luxury, but about the goodness found in everyday moments. In 2024, the United Nations released the World Happiness Report, and once again, Finland ranked as the happiest country in the world. Other nations in the top 5 include Denmark, Iceland, Sweden, and the Netherlands. But what exactly makes Finland so special? The report looks at 6 key factors: income, healthy life expectancy, social support, freedom to make life choices, generosity, and low levels of corruption. Finland excels in every one of these areas. Yet, the real secret behind Finnish happiness is seen in the way people live their lives and treat one another. In Finland, trust is the foundation of daily life. Imagine if you lost your wallet in a cafe. Chances are, someone would find it and return it to you. Picture a small child confidently walking to school alone. The community is so safe that parents don't worry. This deep-rooted trust among people is a cornerstone of Finnish society. Let's revisit Anna's story for a moment. One day, she accidentally left her bag on a train. She feared that her personal belongings, even a small chocolate bar hidden inside, might be lost forever. To her surprise, the next day the bag had been safely returned to the train's lost and found. Acts like these aren't rare in Finland. They remind everyone that doing the right thing is simply a part of everyday life. Finland is also blessed with nature's wonders. Over 75% of the country is covered in forest, and there are more than 180,000 lakes sprinkled across the landscape. In Finland, connecting with nature is more than just a pastime. It's a way of life. People often spend part of their week immersed in nature, whether by taking peaceful walks in the woods, swimming in crystal-clear lakes, or simply enjoying a quiet moment beside a crackling fire. There is even a Finnish word, sisu, which embodies the quiet strength and calm that comes from a close relationship with nature. Even bustling cities like Helsinki have pockets of natural beauty, with parks and trails always nearby, offering a refuge from the everyday hustle. Another secret of Finnish happiness is the balance between work and life. Take Anna again. She works a typical day of about 7 hours, and when she steps out of school, she leaves her work behind. In Finland, the idea of work-life balance is not just a dream, it's a reality. People have plenty of time for family, hobbies, and personal growth. Did you know that Finnish workers enjoy 5 weeks of paid vacation each year? And for new parents, the generous parental leave, available for both mothers and fathers, allows families to grow without the constant pressure of rushing back to work. This balance ensures that stress and burnout are minimized, making life more joyful and fulfilling. Education in Finland also plays a significant role in fostering happiness. Finnish schools are known worldwide for their innovative methods. In classrooms, children learn through play, exploration, and creative thinking instead of constant testing. Teachers, like Anna, are held in high esteem and are well paid, recognizing their vital role in shaping futures. What sets Finland apart is its commitment to equality. Education is free for everyone, from primary schools to universities, ensuring that every child, regardless of their background, has an equal opportunity to succeed. This commitment to fairness is seen in every aspect of life in Finland. There aren't huge gaps between the very rich and the very poor. Most people belong to a comfortable middle class, which creates a more stable and harmonious society. Imagine not having to worry about unexpected medical bills or expensive tuition fees because society supports each and every one of you. That is the essence of Finnish social equality, a feeling that helps reduce stress and create a safe, balanced environment for everyone. Finns might be known for their quiet demeanor, yet their sense of community runs deep. In Finland, the support system is robust. If you ever face tough times, like losing a job or dealing with an illness, the government steps in to help. Social benefits are not luxuries. They are a promise that you will never be left alone in difficult moments. One of Finland's unique practices is the baby box. Every newborn family receives a box filled with essential items such as clothes, toys, and even a small mattress. It doesn't matter whether you're rich or poor. Every baby in Finland starts life with the same care and support. This practice not only symbolizes equality, but also provides reassurance and a sense of security right from birth. Think about a time when you felt uncertain or scared. Now imagine receiving a gentle visit from a kind nurse or a supportive friend who tells you, "You're doing a great job." These small acts of kindness, these everyday supports, add up to a strong network of care. It's this web of compassion and mutual respect that makes life in Finland so reassuring and, ultimately, so happy. Many people believe that happiness is something you can only achieve with more money, more success, or more possessions. However, in Finland, happiness isn't about accumulation. It's about finding joy in the simple and the small. A warm cup of coffee on a chilly morning, a quiet walk in the forest, or a smile from a friend. It's about reducing stress rather than collecting more things. Finnish people might not be the most expressive when it comes to big, wide smiles, but there is a deep, abiding satisfaction in their lives. They have learned that sometimes less is more. By focusing on the small daily pleasures, like a peaceful moment in nature, a kind gesture from a neighbor, or a balanced day at work, they build a life full of contentment and genuine happiness. So what lessons can we learn from the Finnish way of life? You don't need to pack your bags and move to Helsinki to experience this happiness. You can start by spending more time in nature. Take a quiet walk in the park or sit by a tree and let your thoughts wander. Be more attentive to your neighbors. Practice kindness and trust in your daily interactions. Slow down in a world that often feels rushed and overwhelming. Embrace a balanced life. Remember that work is just one part of your day. Make time for your family, for your hobbies, and most importantly, for yourself. Happiness, as seen in Finland, is not the result of grand gestures, but of daily, mindful choices. It is the joy found in the warm cup of coffee, the fresh air during a snowy ride, and the supportive smile of a friend. As we wrap up this journey through Finland, think back on Anna's day. From the calm of a snowy morning to the peaceful moments shared with friends and family. Every detail, every simple pleasure, has contributed to making Finland the happiest country in the world. The secret isn't hidden in luxuries or fast-paced living. It's in the steady, honest way people live each day. Finland shows us that happiness is a mix of trust, safety, and a deep connection with nature. It's built on strong social values, a caring community, and the beauty of everyday life. By giving importance to balance between work and leisure, and between individual well-being and community support, Finland sets an inspiring example for the rest of the world. Next time you find yourself stressed or rushing through a busy day, remember the Finnish way. Take a deep breath, step outside, and appreciate the small moments that bring joy. Whether it's the quiet crunch of snow under your feet or the simple pleasure of a conversation with a friend, these moments remind us that happiness is often closer than we think. If you found this journey inspiring, imagine what might happen if we all took a little bit of Finland's calm into our own lives. Let's make a commitment to ourselves today to seek out balance, to trust our communities, and to cherish the everyday joys that make life so precious. Now, as we come to the end of our story, ask yourself, what small change can you make in your life that would bring you closer to the happiness found in Finland? Can you take just a moment each day to pause, breathe, and appreciate the beauty around you? Perhaps, like Anna, you could see that happiness isn't a distant dream, but a quiet, steady presence in your everyday routine. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Finland's secret to happiness. We hope that Anna's simple yet fulfilling day has inspired you to see the beauty in the small moments and to find your own path to contentment. If you enjoyed this story, please leave a comment below. Tell us what little things bring joy to your day. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep smiling. This is your friendly reminder that happiness is within reach, one peaceful moment at a time. If you liked this story, don't forget to like, comment, and share it. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a story.